Cohen, are you honking your brother's nose? Oh, did you honk his ear? Oh, you got your ear. Cohen, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Yeah, that's your brother's. Hey, Cohen, where's your tummy? Can you show me your tummy? Where's your tummy? It is in there, huh? Are you kidding me? You talking to the dogs, huh? Cohen, where's Andy? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Can you get your brother? Go get your brother. Get him. Go honk honk. Andy, what do you think of that? It hurts when he honks your nose. Oh, he does it because he loves you. You guys say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Honk honk.